If a mechanic charges you $1,500 for this Silverado repair, you're gonna pay because you don't know you can do it at home for $120 in 2 hours. And I'm gonna show you exactly which repair this is and why so many mechanics charge a fortune for something so simple. Subscribe now. Comment economy with your Silverado year. Let's go. I've been studying Silverados for 15 years, analyzed thousands of repair quotes from hundreds of different shops, and there's one repair that every mechanic charges ridiculously high for. Not because it's difficult, not because it takes long, but because you don't know how to do it. And when you don't know, you pay whatever they ask. This applies to Silverados from any year, 2000, 2010, 2020, all of them. And today, you're gonna learn. You'll never pay this again. The repair? Oxygen sensor replacement. That sensor on the exhaust, the famous O2 sensor. Mechanic charges $1,500. Original part at the store $80 to $120. Actual installation time 1 hour, 2 maximum if you've never done it. You're paying $1,300 in labor for 1 hour of work. Why? Because shops know oxygen sensors scare owners. Oh, it's electronic, it's on the engine, it's the computer, needs a specialist. Lie. It's literally unscrew an old sensor and screw in a new one. Anyone can do it with one wrench, nothing more. Mechanics charge you high for 3 reasons. First, diagnostics. Check engine light comes on. You don't know what it is. Take it to the shop. They plug in the scanner, read the code, P0420, P0138, P0141. It's the oxygen sensor. They charge $200 just for diagnostics when you can buy a scanner on Amazon for $30 and read the code yourself. Second, inflated labor. Shop charges 6-7 hours of labor for a 1-hour job. Why? Because you don't know how long it actually takes. Third, marked up parts. Part that cost $80, shop sells for $300. 220% markup on top of you. Add it all up, diagnostics $200, part $300, labor $1,000. $1,500 for something that cost $120. How do you do this yourself? Step 1. Buy OBD2 scanner, $30 on Amazon. Plug it into the connector under the steering wheel, turn ignition on, read the code. P0420, bank 1 sensor. P0138, bank 2 sensor. Write down which sensor is bad. Step 2. Buy the correct sensor. AutoZone, O'Reilly, Amazon, $80 to $120. Original, same brand that comes from factory. Step 3. Lift a truck, find the sensor on the exhaust. Bank 1, driver's side. Bank 2, passenger side. Before the catalytic converter or after, depends on the code. Step 4, disconnect the electrical connector, unscrew the sensor. 22mm wrench or specific sensor socket. Old sensor comes out, new sensor goes in. Screw it in, connect the harness. Step 5, clear the code with the scanner, start the engine. Check engine off, done. You just saved $1,300. How long? 1 hour. 2 if you go slow. Difficulty? 0. If you can change oil, you can change a sensor. Shops hate when you learn this, because oxygen sensors, that's their bread and butter. Customer comes in with check engine, shop already knows, this'll be easy. Sensor, coil, spark plug, simple stuff. But they charge like it's complex, and when you learn to do it yourself, they lose the golden goose. I've seen shops try to scare customers. Oh, but you gotta calibrate the computer after. Lie. Computer recognizes new sensor automatically. You gotta use specific torque or it'll break. Lie. Tighten it firm. Don't need a torque wrench. You gotta clear the code with professional equipment. Lie. $30 scanner does that. All to keep you hostage and make you pay. And it doesn't stop at oxygen sensors. There are other repair shops charge crazy prices for, and you do them easy. Battery replacement? They charge $200. You do it in 10 minutes. Battery costs $70. Air filter replacement? They charge $80. You open the box, swap it, 5 minutes. Filter costs $20. Headlight bulb replacement, they charge $60. You remove 2 screws, swap it. Bulb costs $12. Windshield washer fluid, they charge $30. You open the reservoir, pour it in. 2 minutes. Fluid costs $5. Add it all up in a year, you saved thousands just by learning the basics. And your Silverado runs the same, no difference whatsoever. Shops don't do magic, they do what you can do. So are you going to keep paying $1,500? Or are you going to buy a $30 scanner, a 120 sensor, and save $1,300? Choice is yours. But now you know the truth. And knowledge, that's savings. Comment economy with how much you've overpaid at shops. Like now, share. Next week, why Silverados hit 300,000 miles while F-150s die at 150,000. The data nobody shows you. You're smart and your wallet thanks you. See you next time, Silverado family.